What do you think? It's June. Time for the big ones. I shouldn't have to show this every time I post a video, but this is how I oh, coronavirus. This is how I set up circle hook, probably at least 6/0. Okay, make sure this point is clean. Okay, leader, slip sinker, whatever you want to do. You want to cast it out, cast it out. I usually put one, set the running drag here, perfect. Get my, let's see, I want to get my other rod here, my other $12 rod, and I put these things, pipe cleaners, I don't know, get them at Walmart. Wrap my sinker with the pipe cleaner so it's not banging around. Alright, get the other one, put this in a rod holder for now. Get the other half of the sunfish, flip it by the tail, get it by the tail here. Clean all this off. You don't want no problems getting a run. Then you throw that out over there. Okay. Again, set your running drag. Nice. And for the last rod, hold on, and I use these scissors. As you cut this tail off, and I cut this off, I don't know why, seems like spins around more when you don't, and I just take the scissors and I cut it. Okay. Ooh, this one had eggs in it. Sorry about that. Now these are the ones I got from Blue Marsh. Now what I'm going to do with this one, on my rod number 3, see, this is what I do with the pipe cleaner. That's it. Throw it in there. Like that doesn't get tangled up as much. Okay. Open up the runner. Let me use the head on this. I try not to go too deep. I'm not casting this one. Okay, this one, I'm just going to drop it straight down. So, open up the bail. I would say I'm in about close to 10 feet. Feel the bottom. Okay. Let's lock them in. locked in. Let's get rid of this rod. Oh, that was fast. Oh, I forgot. Straight up and down on these rods. Except this one. Okay. Ready? Should. Yeah, he's on that. Oh, yeah. There's throbbing. He's coming on the wrong side. It's the nice thing about the kayak. You see how it's turning? Looking for the anchor. I always get a kick out of these fish when they look for the anchor. They know. Looking for any kind of obstacle. Yeah, beautiful. No big deal if I lose it. I'm just gonna grab him. Grab him and bring him in. Easy. Okay. Always take the tension off the okay. Now how I like to hold them. Before I let them go, I like to hold them just like this. And the wind is picking up. I might have to drop all 3 rods if this keeps up. Just straight down. If it keeps blowing in all different directions. Alright. What can I tell you? Sit and wait. Schuylkill River. Well, and here we go. Whoa, 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 easy, 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 easy. That should be a, oh, whoa. That's a nice flatty. Holy smoke, almost took the rod. Okay, gotta get the other rod in. What happened? How did that happen? Okay. So this rod is out of the way. I'm gonna switch rods. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. Whew. This is a nice one. This is the nice one. He almost took the rod out of the rod holder. I'm anchored up pretty good. Wow. Oh yeah. He's a puller. Okay, I'm anchored from the back, so it should be all right here. Man, took that much line. Okay, now we're getting close. Close. Getting close. we should be all right here, even if he makes a run. Drag is not tight. I'm anchored from the back. Got to go back to the car. Get my gloves. I didn't even bring my fish finder. Getting close. Getting close. Okay, we should be all right here, even if he makes a run. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What to do, what to do. At this point, I'm trying to figure out what to do. I don't want to bring him in a boat and get all slimed up, but I do want to take some nice pictures and videos. So I think I'm going to bring him to the bank someplace. Yeah, I'm going to take him to the rocks. Let him get tired out a little bit more. He's still turning me around. He's a nice flathead. Not the biggest that I ever caught, but he is picture worthy. So let's bring him to the bank and take some videos. Maybe even some underwater videos. What do you think? Now that he's a little worn out, I think I'm going to release the anchor and take him to shallow water. I don't have my depth finder, but I have an idea what's what here. As I'm bringing him to the shallow water, he's trying to head to the bottom. I can't let him do that. We're getting close to the shallow water. I have to adjust the depth. I want him on top. Not gonna take me in the deep water, no. Okay, feel the ground. Should be okay. Should be okay here. Whew. calm down. Whoa, whoa, big guy. Hold on now, you're pulling the boat. Go of you. Not till I have the bungee on you. Okay, we're gonna get the hook out. He was hooked good. What an appropriate way to start the month. Beautiful flatty in the daytime. No nighttime fishing for me. Beautiful fish. What do you think, guy? You ready to go yet? I just seen the rod bend. Maybe not. I got excited over nothing.
Well, there's something on the line. I was right.
Okay, we locked it in. Let's see if he hooks himself. And of course, here comes the boat.
It's time to take the other lines out of the water so we don't get tangled up.
Why can't they just take their car and ride up and down the highway? Same thing, isn't it? Okay, that's in. What do we got here? Let's see. It's just heavy. Remember, I learned that lesson. Don't force him. You know, wouldn't it be funny if it was a stick? Because there's so much debris floating around after the storm. I don't feel anything except heaviness now. I don't feel head jerking. Whatever it is coming up. Oh no!
It's a snapping turtle. Now what?
Come on.
I really don't care for them. They could cut your finger off in a heartbeat. I'm looking at it and he swallowed the hook pretty good. There's nothing to do but cut the line as short as I can and let him go. He'll be all right. He's ugly, kind of cute.
Close as I can.